Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. AI! No, wait. Don't go anywhere. Keep listening, because AI is here, and it's not going anywhere. Now, this is the thing I wanted to talk about, because according to sources, Sam Altman told developers in May that OpenAI, the ChatGPT folks, plans to turn ChatGPT itself into a super smart personal assistant for work, basically setting the stage for a huge rivalry, between them and Google and potentially them and Microsoft. But isn't Microsoft kind of working with OpenAI and integrating that stuff within their stuff? Isn't that what's happening? So it's just going to get interesting. A personal assistant for work, super smart personal assistant for work. I've been using it for work. Anything that I need to do that would otherwise be mentally taxing, I run it through ChatGPT. It works well enough. So that's a lot of busy work that's been offset, but if they're planning on making that a super smart personal assistant, I'm not being hyperbolic when I say that's potentially a game changer. And if anything, it'll just cause all these other companies and businesses and platforms to up their game. So your work is likely going to be impacted by it. What you do, unless, what you do doesn't involve technology in any way at all. Like, you never have to file paperwork, you never have to do any kind of writing, you never have to do any research or anything like that. I mean, if you do just nothing but physical labor, fine. I can imagine how a personal assistant like this might not help you, but for everybody else, it's going to make a big impact. Will you use, if you're not using it already, ChatGPT as your personal assistant?